Today, we're diving into the technical precision replacement lamp for the Epson Procinema 6040ub. This lamp boasts a powerful 250 watts, ensuring bright and clear visuals for your home theater setup. It comes with a complete housing unit for easy installation, making it a convenient choice for those looking to replace their projector lamp point. One of the standout features is its compatibility and reliability. Designed specifically for the Epson Procinema 6040ub, this lamp delivers consistent performance and longevity. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations, you can rely on this lamp to provide crisp images and vibrant colors. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included housing unit which fits seamlessly into your projector. This eliminates the hassle of sourcing separate parts and ensures a quick setup process. The lamp's durability ensures it will last, reducing the frequency of replacements compared to lesser quality alternatives. In terms of performance, the 250-watt bulb shines bright, offering a clear upgrade over older or worn-out lamps. It enhances contrast and color accuracy, revitalizing your viewing experience. For anyone serious about their home theater quality, this replacement lamp is a solid investment. Overall, the technical precision replacement lamp for the Epson Procinema 6040ub stands out for its build quality, ease of installation, and enhanced performance. If you're looking to optimize your home theater setup, this lamp is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.